Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss practical number 5. So the practical number 5 worksheet is given here. So the mark sheet, it's having name in and English marks, maths marks and the science marks. So in the questions, first they are asking you to enter the above data sheet from the cell A1. So thereafter they are asking you to insert the 5 fields: total, average, rank, maximum, minimums next to the science column. So already I have entered this data sheet. So thereafter already the total average is there. After that I want to include that rank, then maximum, and minimum. Okay. So thereafter third question, make the heading merge and center. So that heading, so we want to include these cells also. Then here merge center. Okay. So fourth question, center element bold italic, the headings name, English and maths and following other headings. So here we want to apply the center alignment bold and italic. So then fifth question, insert the field ICT1 between the English and maths and type the given data below. So here in this place in between the English and the maths, you want to insert a column, then the heading is ICT 1. So thereafter they have given the marks 75, 64, 33, 32, 41, 54, 71, 65, 88, 72, 91, finally 79. Then sixth question, insert a row Ravi between Tulasi and Jaya and type the marks. So here like this way, insert. So marks of the Ravi is given here 88, 92, 64, 50. So then you want to calculate the total marks of each person. So that is we have already discussed. So auto sum, you can calculate the total marks. Then average marks equal average. So you can calculate the average marks also. Then rank. So this is new for you. So equal rank, rank, then enter. So then thereafter you want to select that ranking value, then reference order. So here reference also order, you want to use the dollar symbols of these cell values, cell addresses. So that's also we have already discussed. Just enter. so you will get the rank. So then maximum minimum you can easily calculate, equal max. So this also already we have discussed. Then minimum. So then you want to apply the border, all borders. So then format the name column with 20. So you want to change the name column with, right click, column with, so just 20, enter. So then finally select the range, apply the background color blue and the foreground color yellow. So the whole area you want to select. Background you want to apply blue color, foreground you want to apply yellow color. Finally you can save your Excel sheet. Like this way you can complete the practical number 5.